Hello everybody and welcome to Lost in the Missouri Ozarks. Here's another great meal that you can make for under $1. That's right, under $1. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I can hear you saying to yourself, you can't do that. Well, sure you can. And this is a good, nutritious meal. Now, I'm not a nutritionist or anything, so I think it's good and nutritious, and you might think it is. So here we go. First, you got to get yourself a couple pieces of bread. Now this is some special bread they make here in the Ozarks. You notice it is kind of yellowish color? That's because it's tater bread, made out of tater flour. We like our taters here. It's kind of obvious. Now, the next ingredient in this under $1 meal, so you got about 20 cents in the bread there, is peanut butter. That's right, peanut butter. This peanut butter was on sale, so what we're going to do is put some peanut butter here on the bread, spread it around a little bit. Peanut butter, I think, was like $3.25 on sale, and you get a lot of servings out of that, so this little serving right here is worth about 25 cents. You can use smooth, or you can use chunky with the peanuts in it. You use any brand you like. It's all the same. They'd like you to think it wasn't, but it's all the same. It's peanut butter. It's a natural product. I'm going to rinse my fork. I do not want to cross-contaminate nothing here. Alright, got that done. And the next ingredient is mayonnaise. Now I can hear you saying to yourself, that man's crazy, you can't put no mayonnaise on peanut butter. Well, sure you can. Now, this is a real old recipe. My mama used to make this for me. In fact, a lot of mamas back in the Ozarks used to make this for their sons. You may remember one really famous person that ate this sandwich. That was Elvis Presley. Elvis used to have this made special for him in a restaurant there in Memphis, and when he was on the road he'd make it himself, and when he was in town in Memphis he'd make this sandwich up at the restaurant and they would fry it for him because they had a deep fryer. Back then I don't think we had the availability to have home deep fryers, so there you go. A little bit of mayonnaise. So you get your bread, your mayonnaise, and your peanut butter. So far it's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to get the last ingredient, we'll fix it up for you, and then we'll eat this thing. Alright, you need a banana. You know what banana is. It's one of them yellow fruits like that. You know, it's kind of curved. Well, you got to open it up. Well, this one is just a little bit underripe, so I might have to cut it to get it open. There we go. So take and open it up like that. This is a number 4111 type banana, or 4011, one of those numbers anyway. You take that banana and you cut it into little circles, and you put the circles in the peanut butter. Now you have to put it on the peanut butter side, because if you don't, you put it on the mayonnaise side, it's going to slide off. So you put your little circles there like that. Like I say, Elvis used to have this meal quite often, and he'd get it fried. I don't know how he'd get it fried, because it seemed like the bread would come apart, but it doesn't. It just stays nice and firm, and it's something different. I never tried frying it, because I don't have a deep fryer. There you go, got little bananas. Cut up some more bananas. It's easier to do it this way, I guess. Cut those up. Put them little bananas right there on the sandwich. Make one more row. Now you can put a little salt on this if you want to. I generally don't put salt on it. I don't like all that salt on something like that. A little bit more banana. Got about maybe 3 little wheels. I call them little wheels, they're just circles. And you're going to have some banana left over. what you can do with that banana left over is kind of have that on the side. And then you got the leftover banana. Depends on the size of the banana. Sometimes these bananas are small. If you don't have any leftovers, then here we go. Got the leftover. And there you have it. There is an Ozark peanut butter, mayonnaise, and banana sandwich, all for under $1. 20 cents in the bread, 25 cents in that nanner, and I can't calculate that mayonnaise, but it's just a smear, so it can't be all that much, right? Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for joining us here on the channel. This is the Lost in the Ozarks, or Lost in the Missouri Ozarks channel. Y'all come back, see us sometime. We'll have some more recipes for you.